Under the agreement outlined in a Memorandum of Understanding signed by World Food Programme, Pakistan Deputy Country Director and Office in Charge Majid Yahya and STPI Executive Director Abid Suleri, the two organizations undertook to produce a new analysis to update the findings of the 2009 Food Insecurity in Pakistan report, jointly produced by World Food Programme, the Sustainable Development Policy Institute, and the Swiss Development Corporation.
We'll be using 2003 and 2010 report as baselines, and we'll be collecting data against same indicators in order to make a comparison, a well-informed comparison, and then we'll be able to tell the policymakers, especially government of Pakistan, which are the districts in Pakistan which are most food insecure, which are the districts which are slightly better off.
Now, after the militancy in border areas and mega floods of 2010, the on-ground situation has changed for worse. This has even made critical the challenge of food security. After a comprehensive survey, a report will be generated, which will be a reference for any future intervention, with the dynamics of food insecurity explained at the household level.
Policy could be in order how to tackle the issue of food insecurity, how to provide them with means and ways to generate their own income, increase their income so they are able to afford the basic food.
Initial results of the survey will be made available to the policy makers towards the end of the current calendar year. The survey will establish number of food insecure people, malnutrition figures and other statistical data which is necessary for a designed policy intervention.
Stakeholders should be very much working together with provincial governments to get services and to ensure that the kind of directions that are moving towards provincial actions.
The report is in the continuity of SDPI's earlier reports in 2001 and 2011, where ground realities were challenged and food insecurity as an issue of distribution and affordability was highlighted. The new study is likely augment the previous work in the light of the new emerging needs and realities.
Through this report, we're able to see what the major challenges are, where we can and how the government needs to possibly revise its policies to make sure that the resources that are available to address food security are used in the most efficient manner.
The government of Pakistan has shown a keen interest in early compilation for the report. Once completed, it will help the Federal Ministry of Food Security and Research to align the new policy framework with the provinces.
Already government have its own sources of information, but the ministry thought that it will be good that some information from independent sources would be sorted out so that the policy should be based on rational information.
This assessment will provide crucial data for all organizations involved in fighting malnutrition and addressing the food needs of the population. And this is the first major step forward under the government's Zero Hunger program launched earlier this year. With cameraman Ajnabi, this is Fatima Mansoor, SDTV, Islamabad.